Hello guys, this is Jerry from Your House Fitness, and today I'll be teaching you how to do a bicep curl. You can do this with various equipment. You can do it with a barbell, an easy bar, or with cables. But today I'm going to be using dumbbells as they are the most popular choice. So start with your feet shoulder width apart. You lift the weight up, and you do not want to engage your shoulders, and you want to maximally contract your biceps when doing this movement. And at the top, I like to pause for a moment for peak contraction. And as you're lowering the weight, keep the tension on the biceps and feel it, feel the movement, feel the muscles. And from the side, you want to keep your upper arm relatively still. You don't want to excessively swing the weight with your body. Just keep it still. And for this variation, I'm doing the alternating bicep curl because this is unilateral movement. Very good for isolation. And that is how you do a bicep curl with dumbbells. See you next time.